So the world's worst inventor was old Dr. Try, who made wild, wacky robots that no one would buy. She made hamsters on wheels that loved chasing baboons. She made hedgehogs from forks that loved popping balloons. She made chickens from tins that had frying pan wings, that laid pink scrambled eggs and had legs made from springs. But last night, while she took her fat fish for a walk, Dr. Try saw a sign by the zoo scrawled in chalk. We need help with our new and confused kangaroos. They're the two baby Joeys you've seen on the news, with no parents to love them and teach them to hop. They just waddle like ducks, and then face first they flop. The kangaroos in the zoo's hopping school are too old. Make them smile, there's a prize, a great trophy of gold. Dr. Try did a head spin and hollered Yahoo! Her fat fish did the same on the toe of her shoe. This is it, I'll be famous, my chance of success, and my bright golden trophy will prove I'm the best. Back at home with fat fish swimming round in his cage, Dr. Try scribbled wildly on page after page. In the moonlight the doctor nailed nails and screwed screws, and the stars sprinkled magic so she wouldn't snooze. When the sun woke the world with its orangey yawn, a metallic immense kangaroo had been born. Dr. Try rang the zoo. I have built what you need to teach Joeys to sky bounce and set their dreams free. That's fantastic, hold on, we're sending a truck. Dr. Try crossed her fingers and eyeballs for luck. Hours later, outside of the zoo's snake cafe, people popped their champagne and cheered hop, hop, hooray! With a fanfare of trumpets, the elephants twirled, the gorilla's chest thumped, and the sea lions whirled. But a thunderstorm brewed, and it poured down with rain as the robot was hauled from the truck by a crane. All the snakes in the restaurant, mouths open to munch, all at once dropped their wrap burger meal deals at lunch. Then a lightning bolt struck and it shook the steel beast, and a bullying wind blustered in from the east. With a zap the rope snapped, Dr. Try's heartbeat banged. As the robot crash landed it clanked and it clanged. Well, the crowd, they all laughed when its eyeballs popped out, with a boing and a bing on two springs by its snout. They all bellowed and booed, is that all it could do? But the Joeys ran forward as the sunbeams broke through. Dr. Try's trembling finger reached out, flicked the switch. Her robotic invention, it gurgled, then glitched. But the huge kangaroo did not bounce, did not race. It just waddled and clanged and fell flat on its face. A small girl rudely jeered, Kangaroo, you're so weird, as she twirled her moustache and caressed her long beard. But the Joeys high-fived, with their smiles spreading wide, as they toddled to be by the great robot's side. We don't care if you bang and you clang as you hop, or fall flat on your face with a wobble and flop. Kangaroo, you're like us, cried the Joeys and cheered. Kangaroo, you're the best, cried the girl with the beard. I'm a linter, and this is my brother Waroo. Then Waroo shouted out, we were named just for you. And a linter announced, it's a name bold and true. From today you'll be known as the great Klangaroo. Klangaroo sparked to life. By her baby she crouched. Her metallic shy teeth placed them soft in her pouch, which was lined with thick fur and labelled with love. And the sun's rosy smile yawned good night from above. Dr. Try rang Fat Fish. We have done it! We won! And Fat Fish on his hamster wheel backflipped and spun. Dr. Try's wacky robots sold out in a blink, well, except for the pig that just oinked and was pink. Klangaroo and the Joeys group hugged and rubbed snouts. They waved bye to the zoo, to their fears and doubts. They ran far, far away to great wide open spaces, laughing loud, wobbling proud, falling flat on their faces.